Enough to hurt me, no, I won't ask you. You to just desert me, I can't give you all you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.